guys, with another video. Today's video I'm showing to this cable. I just received this one. Baseus cable is a 2 meter long and it's a nylon build type C2 lightning cable, and this one's 20-watt cable, and this one has a LCD here, and you can see the voltage and charge your device and like a monitor here. I just want to plug it in and show you how it works. I just plug it in. It's not showing now. I just need to I think plug into this one here, and you can see this one shows 12 watt at the moment, because this is I think the what they call, like, because I think the charger is 18 watt and this one's currently, I think this one maybe support to up to 12 watts. That's why this is not going over 12 watt, but normally new iPhones 20 watts, and like all supported like 12 or 13 Pro and all new iPads. And this is very cool. You can see this LCD and this monitor here, and it's good cable. Its quality is very good as well. And this is like a short video, and I love this product. I have already like a charger and too many things, and this is, I love this company, and very cheap and very good as well. Okay, I'm ending this video now. Hope you like this video. If you like, please like to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Okay, bye.